The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 1/4 inch extended reach ratchet delivers power in confined, hard-to-reach areas. With the power of ONE HP technology, this tool can deliver up to 40 foot-pounds of torque. This ratchet's slim head and extended reach design makes it the perfect tool for accessing tight spaces, bringing power to hard-to-reach areas. And a 4-position head makes fitting into any angle possible. The 1/4 inch anvil with pin detent provides secure socket retention. Dual onboard LED work lights keep your project illuminated at any angle. And the variable speed metal paddle trigger provides ultimate control. The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 1/4 inch extended reach ratchet, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.